Righto, onion update, number 7652.4. No, it's not a thing from Star Wars. It looks a bit like that way. Anyway, all the brackets, like hinges I mean, doors and other little fiddly bits and pieces and fuel cap and all this stuff is all in epoxy now. This door, fair bit of shaping to do on this door, as you can see. Same with this one. It's like let's just beat the hell out of it with a hammer just because we want to. But anyway, they make this wonderful thing called bog. A few more hinges and things over here, door strikers and stuff. Yeah, we've got bits for the dash and all in epoxy, so then they've got to be rubbed back a bit and then hit with a bit of high build primer, rub back, and then I can start painting stuff. Now these two doors, driver's side, front is already in some high build, just needs a little bit more on this face. This one's been all bogged and shaped, all smooth again like a door should be. So that'll get some high build on it by tomorrow. Hopefully I can get some colour on them shortly and get some colour on all the hinges and everything. Got the old diesel heater going flat out because it's yeah, it's not really the warmest of weather. It's quite toasty in here. Yeah.